Hi guys, this is your friend Asan Gafar. This is our wind turbine tower. This is a top tower, and you know why we use a helical strake into the wind turbine. So its purpose is this: it's turn the air, destruct the air, and it's control to the shaking. It control for the movement of during the movement of the wind tower. It's control. So that's why we use it. Is for a safety purpose. Helical strake. So it's going to installation, and already we install here base tower, mid one 2, and now we are going to install top of tower, wind turbine top of tower going to install, and we are installing our helical strake. As discussed already, it's control the air and destruct the air and turn off the air, and also as we control our this tower, if air is coming and it will be not move. So this is a main purpose of helical strake. That's why we used in wind tower. It's only used in the top of the tower wind turbine. During the installation we use it. So our team is engaged, and you can check this design, helical strake design. It's in triangle shape, you know. Now this team is busy to connect, and these are a connecting point into the wind turbine towers. It's only in the top of the tower, and this one is another hall, helical strakes. One is upside and other is in downside. So our helical strake will be bound on this point. Helical strake is fixing here this point, which I will already tell to you. This is a process, and other person is inside this wind tower, and he will mount it from there. Okay. This is a simple process. Now he completed helical strakes, made it, you know, and now I'm going to a nacelle RIDDOR. Hello Mr. Ozair, good morning. This is a Goldwind manufacturing company, and this one is a nacelle. And what could you please tell us what is the purpose of this RIDDOR?
Actually, this is LiDAR system. We install it to detect the air density, position and speed. For example, if there will be the huge air or some surges in the air, so LiDAR detect earlier,
Okay.
and give the signal to the yaw system to pitch the blade in that angle that the force of the air strikes less, and it will like we said that will be short, because it detects early warning.
Early warning.
Yeah, if there is some storm or some huge wind or something like that, so LiDAR send the signal to the yaw system,
Okay.
computer system, PLC system, so it detects, it tells how to react, and then it will rotate the turbine or rotate the blades in other position, so that the circumstance become less,
Okay.
and the production loss become less.
Okay.
That's why we install this LiDAR.
Thank you very much for such information. Now our wind turbine top tower is going to installations. As we discussed already, our mid 1, mid 2 base tower already installed, and now its lifting is going on, so we are going there and check clearly. Its installation process of top of the wind tower. You know, there is a helical strake which already we discussed. This is for a safety purpose only, and it's control the shaking the tower, it's control the wind. That's why we install this, and its weight is more than 75 ton. This one is a bottom flange area, and this side put on the mid 2 tower. This top tower is a mid 2, and this is a top tower. It will be put on the mid 2, and then it will be torquing process will start. Base tower, mid 1 tower, mid 2 tower, and this one is a top tower. After the completion of top tower, work will start and preparation will start of the installation of nacelle, wind turbine nacelle. Wind turbine nacelle is also ready. Once we install this top tower, wind turbine top tower, then our second step is nacelle. Nacelle is also ready, and its sampling, its preparation is done. And now wind speed is 3.2 meter per second. If wind speed is more than 7.5 meter per second, then we cannot perform a job. So it's a standard, and we follow the standard. Also, safety is safety is important. So safety is our first priority. So yesterday we hold the work because wind speed is more than say 7 meter per second. So we required 3 meter per second, 4 meter per second. We can perform a job. Otherwise, it's unsafe. It will be count in unsafe activity. So that's why we hold yesterday. So today we are doing. And this height is 98 meter total of the wind tower, wind turbines. Its project is total, each turbine is 4.5 megawatt, and total we have to do install and erect here 22 turbines. Top tower is near to mid 2, and within a few minutes it will be installed, it will be erected. So it's a step by step job, it's a erection work. Already we erected 3 turbines. Each turbine, as discussed, 4.5 megawatt. It's very near now. It's up to the mid 2 top tower. After the install, finally it's near, and once it will be erect, a mechanical torquing will be start. So this is a final turbine, as discussed already. This is a base tower, mid 1 tower, mid 2 tower, and this one is a top tower. Helical Strakes, which found for what purpose I already discussed with you guys. So like my channel, subscribe my channel. We will meet you another video, and next process is our installation of nacelles. And after the installation of nacelle, we will install our wind turbine generator. So time to time I will share with you all videos. So bye guys, take care, see you and another video.